Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss how to multiply one polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, so first let me tell you how to multiply one monomial by another monomial. Okay, first let us learn how to multiply monomial by another monomial. Okay, so what do you mean by monomial? Okay, so a polynomial consisting only one term is called monomial. Okay, that means polynomial consisting only one term is monomial. Okay, so suppose we have a question here: multiply minus thrice x by twice xy. Okay, so in this case, how to solve this problem? Okay, so now you see, let me show you how to solve this. So there are two monomials, one is minus thrice x, another is twice xy. Okay, so minus thrice x into twice xy. Okay, first in order to multiply these two monomials, so first we have to multiply the coefficients. Okay, minus 3 into 2. Okay, so that is minus 6. Yeah, this number is negative, this number is positive, so product of positive and negative is negative. Okay, so this is minus 6. Then we have to multiply similar variables, that is x into x. Okay, x into x means x to the power 1. Here also you can write x to the power 1. So now here we have to apply the laws of index. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So according to that law, it must give x to the power 1 plus 1, that's equal to x to the power 2. So that's why there will be x square. Then there is y is present in this polynomial only, not here, so that's why there will be only one y. Okay, as there is only one y. So hope you have understood this. That's how we can multiply one monomial by another monomial. Okay, now let me show you another example. Okay, so here you see, suppose we have another question: multiply minus 5x square y to the power minus 3 by minus 3x to the power 3 y to the power 2. Okay, suppose we need to multiply these two monomials. Okay, so now let me show you how to multiply these two. So here first one is minus 5x square y to the power minus 3. Okay, y to the power minus 3, and into next one, as this is negative, so that's why write within bracket. Okay, because there is multiplication and this is negative, so that's why these two operators should be separated by brackets. Okay, so now again we will apply the same procedure. Okay, so what to do? First you have to multiply the coefficients. So what are the coefficients? Minus 5 and minus 3. So 5 3s are 15. As both are negative, so result will be positive. Okay, then you need to multiply the similar variables x square here, x cube. Okay, so x square into x cube. Here apply the law of index a to the power m into a to the power m into a to the power n, that's equal to a to the power m plus n. So according to that law, this should be x to the power 2 plus 3, that's equal to x to the power 5. So here we have got x to the power 5. Okay, then you have to multiply y to the power minus 3 with y to the power 2. If you multiply these two, y to the power minus 3 into y to the power 2, then according to this law of index, you will get y to the power minus 3 plus 2. Okay, so here you see, now in this case 3 is negative here. This is minus 3 and this is plus 2. Okay, one number is negative, another is positive. In that case we need to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1, so it should be y to the power 1. But here you see, we know 3 is numerically greater than 2 and the sign before the greater numerical value is negative, that's why it should be minus 1. Okay, so this is our result. Okay, that's how we can multiply these two. Okay, so now let me tell you how to multiply a binomial by a monomial or a monomial by a binomial. Okay, monomial into binomial. Okay, now you see, what is binomial? So binomial, a polynomial consisting two terms is called binomial. Okay, this is called binomial. So hope you have understood this, what is binomial. Okay, so suppose we have a question here, multiply minus thrice x square by 5x plus 1. Okay, now how to multiply these two? Minus thrice x square 5x plus 1. Okay, first multiply this monomial with the first term of the binomial, then again multiply with the second term of the binomial, then minus thrice x square into 5x. So here you see, this sign is negative and this is positive. If you multiply these two, then there will be negative thrice x square into 1. Now in order to multiply these two, again you have to multiply the coefficients. Okay, so that is minus 3 into 5, that is minus 15. Okay, then multiply x square with x. Okay, so x square into x means x to the power 1, you can say. So now according to the law of index, a to the power m into a to the power n, that's equal to a to the power m plus n. According to that formula, you will get x to the power 2 plus 1, that's equal to x to the power 3. So it is x cube. Then minus 3 into 1, that's minus 3 into x square is there. Okay, so that is our result. Okay, that's how we can multiply a monomial, this is monomial, with a binomial. Okay, so this one is monomial and this one is binomial. Okay, so hope you have understood. Now let me show you how to multiply binomial by binomial. Okay, Okay, binomial by binomial. How to multiply? Okay, suppose we have a question here. Multiply 2x plus 3 into thrice x minus 1. Okay, so let me show you how to solve this. It's very simple. Okay, twice x plus 3 into thrice x minus 1. Okay, so here you see, first you have to multiply the first term of the first polynomial with the first term of the second polynomial. Then again you have to multiply the first term of the first polynomial with the second term of the second polynomial. So doing so, we have got here twice x into thrice x, then there is minus sign, as this is positive, so minus plus minus, twice x into 1. Okay, so what we have done here, so first we have multiplied the first term of the first polynomial with the first term of the second polynomial, then again first term of the first polynomial with the second term of the second polynomial. So similarly, second term of the first polynomial should be multiplied by the first term of the second polynomial, then again it should be multiplied by the second term of the second polynomial. Okay, so now first of all, what to do? First multiply 3 with thrice x. Okay, so both the terms are positive, so here sign should be plus, 3 into thrice x, then multiply this 3 with minus 1. Okay, plus 3 into minus 1. Okay, now so here you see it is monomial, this is also monomial. Multiply these two. How to multiply? First multiply the coefficients. 3 to the 6, x into x. Okay, so x into x, that should be x square. Okay, then here you see 2 1s are 2, here it is minus 2 1s are 2 into x is there, so this x should be written here. Then 3 3s are 9, so there is plus sign, 3 3s are 9, and this x is written here. Okay, so hope you have understood this. Then here you see this is minus, this is plus. On multiplication, sign will be minus. Okay, plus into minus gives minus. Okay, so 3 1s are 3. So this is our answer. But here you see these two are like terms. If you get like terms, then you can add or subtract according to their according to the sign before them. Okay, so this is minus twice x, this is plus 9x. One number is positive, another is negative. In that case, so first write the first term. Okay, in this case what to do? You have to subtract these two. So we know 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, and there is x, there is also x. Okay, so 9x minus twice x must be 7x, and the sign before the greater one, we know that 9 is greater than 2, and here the sign before 9 is plus, that's why this result should be plus, and there is minus 3, so right here minus 3. So this is our answer. Okay, so hope you have understood this, how to do such kind of problems, how to solve such kind of problems. So here you see, let me clean that bit. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, 6x square plus 7x minus 3. Okay, let me show you one more problem. Suppose we need to multiply minus thrice x square plus 7 into twice x square plus 5. Okay, now let me show you how to do. So what is the first polynomial? minus thrice x square plus 7 into, then second polynomial is thrice x square plus 5. Okay, now what to do? First step is minus thrice x square into twice x square. So first minus thrice x square into twice x square. Next step, again minus thrice x square into plus 5, minus thrice x square into 5 means plus 5. Okay, then now what to do? 7 into 2x square plus 7 into 2x square. Okay, then plus 7 into plus 5. Okay, plus 7 into plus 5. Let me use another color. Plus 7 into plus 5. Okay, 7 into 5. Okay, now let's multiply. Minus 3 into 2, that's going to be minus 6. X square into x square, x to the power 2 plus 2, that's 4. Okay, so there is minus sign, so right here minus sign. Here is no sign, means 5 is positive. Okay, so positive, negative, negative, isn't it? So if you multiply these two, then you will get minus 3 here. 3 5 is 15. Okay, then write the x square here. Okay, now here is plus, so put the plus here. Then 7 2 is 14 x square, and 7 5 is 35. Okay, so here you see these two are like terms. Okay, but this is negative and this is positive. In this case you have to subtract these two terms. Okay, you must subtract these two terms. Okay, so how to do that? So now let me show you. Here you see, so this is minus 6 x to the power 4. Now this is, here you see that this is negative, this is positive, negative and positive. Okay, so now subtract 15 minus 4. What are the coefficients? 15 here, 15, and here you see it is 14. Okay, and 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Okay, so there is the variables are x square. Okay, so 15 x square minus 14 x square will be 1 x square, that means x square. Okay, so let me write here x square, that is 1 x square means x square. So we know that 15 is greater than 14. Okay, 15 is greater than 14. Okay, and the sign before the greater number is negative, so that's why result must be negative. So hope you have understood this. Okay, then what are the remaining terms? Only plus 35. This is, so our result is minus 6 x to the power 4 x square plus 35. So that's how we can find a product of two binomials. Okay, so hope you have understood this. It's very simple. Okay, I don't think there should be any doubt regarding this. Okay, so now let me show you how to multiply a binomial by a trinomial. Okay, so now let me show you multiplication of binomial and trinomial. Okay, so here you see, tri means 3, trinomials means polynomial consisting 3 terms. Okay, so now you see, suppose we need to multiply twice x square plus 5 into thrice x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay, so if there are 3 terms, then you have to apply the same method. Multiply, here you see, you have to multiply the first term of the first polynomial by the first term of the second polynomial, then second term of the second polynomial, then by the third term of the second polynomial. If there is more terms, suppose there must be something else, then you have to multiply this one with that also. Okay, that is the process. Okay, so now let me clean these lines. Okay, so now first what to do, we have to multiply twice x square with thrice x square. Okay, so in that case just write twice x square into thrice x square, or you can directly multiply. If you have understood, you can directly multiply. How to do that? Just, it's very simple. So first multiply the coefficients. 2 3 are 6, x square into x square. If you multiply this to x square into x square, okay, then it will be x to the power 4. But remember one thing, if you add x square plus x square, then what to do? You have to add the coefficients only, that is twice x square. Okay, not the powers. Okay, when you multiply, you have to add the powers. Okay, not the coefficients. So remember that. Okay, so now let me explain it again. Suppose you have to multiply these two terms, twice x square into thrice x square. When you multiply, first you have to multiply the coefficients. 2 3 are, that is 6. Then you have to multiply x square and x square. Okay, x square into x square. When you multiply these two, then you have to add the powers. X square, that is 2 plus 2, that is x to the power 4. Okay, but when you add these two terms, twice x square plus thrice x square, while you are adding, just add the coefficients. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Then write x square. Don't add the powers of variables. Okay, so remember that. So now let us continue this. Okay, so let me clean this page. So now, so what we have got, x square into x square, that is x to the power 4. Okay, so we have multiplied these two terms. Okay, now what to do? We have to multiply this first term with the second term of the second polynomial. Okay, here you see this term is positive, this is negative. That's why after multiplication of positive and negative, sign must be negative. Okay, then 2 7s are 14. Then x square into x. Okay, x square into x, x means x to the power 1, that must be x to the power 3. Okay, so hope you have understood this. Then what to do? Now we have multiplied the first term with the second. Now we have to multiply the first term with the third term of the second polynomial. So here you see both are positive, sign will be positive. Okay, 2 1s are 2, x square is in this term only, not there, so that's why only 1 x square here. Okay, now what to do? We have done, we have multiplied the first term of the first polynomial. Now we have to multiply the second term of the first polynomial. Okay, 5 into thrice x square, that must be 3 5s are 15, so it is 15x square. Then plus 5 minus 7. Okay, positive negative negative, 7 5s are 35. There is only x here, so it is 35x. Then 5 1s are 5. Okay, both are positive, sign must be positive. Now what to do? We have to check, is there any similar terms or not. Okay, if there are more than one similar terms, then you have to add or subtract them depending on their depending on the sign before them. So what are the like terms here? This is and this is. So these two are like terms here. 2x square, 15x square, both consist x square. Here you see both are positive, so you have to add the two numbers. So now you see minus 14x cube. While you are adding two terms, then what to do? You have to add the coefficients only. So 2 plus 15, that is 17. Then you have to write the variable, that is x square here. Then minus 35x plus 5. Okay, so this is our result. So this is our answer. So remember one thing, this was 3, yes, so x to the power 3. Okay, so this is the answer. That's how we can multiply a binomial with trinomial. Now you see, let me explain one multiply trinomial with trinomial as well. Okay, suppose you have twice x square plus thrice x plus 1 into 7x square minus 2x plus 5. Then what to do? You have to multiply the first term with the first term of the second polynomial, then first term of the first polynomial by the second term of the second polynomial, then first term by the third term of the second polynomial, then first term of then after multiplying the first term with all the three terms, then you have to start with then you have to multiply the second term with all the three terms. Okay, then you have to multiply the last term with all the three terms. Okay, so that's how you can find the product of any polynomials. Okay, so now these are some questions I have given here for homework. Okay, so try to solve the problems.